Area I truly salute and I do welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see them. Chelsea 2, Borussia Dortmund 0. Chelsea don't qualify for the next round of the UEFA Champions League will be the quarterfinal. We get Morgan will be like saying, "Oh, go get Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game." Morgan, how you see your team performance today?
Well, compared to the
Leeds United.
listener, this one is better off. And the player, you see the motivation, the zeal of winning was in them, the display arm, the first line, especially in the first half, they did excellent. They did excellent. They tried before that goal.
So if you 1.1 player say now this person now play past all the Chelsea player where you say okay now this guy be my man of the match, who you go point in and be your man of the match for today's performance?
Well, I don't really get any man of the match because the front line talking about somebody like Sterling and Kai Havertz. Havertz also made some mistake, but at least the guy was more aggressive today and he have good dominance of the ball today. So two of them now go really pick say they are men of the match, not be really one person.
So make I ask you, Morgan, you know, say the last time when I interview you, you talk about the manager, say he's not too clear for your eye. But the team don't win against Leeds. The team don't win against Borussia Dortmund today. You think, say, as a Chelsea fan, may they continue to give the guy more time? Because now, so we call the be like, say, at all, Ogoro must jump. Chelsea, they see the jump. You think, say, the guy still need more time, or that thing where you talk still stand?
That's when I talk, so still stand. And also not me get the club, who get and I get the financing, I get yam, I get knife. But if you ask me anytime, any day, I'll let you know, say, the coach is not good enough. If you watch the changes he made, after he made the changes, discover that the people, the Zico die. That by team spirit, he come weak. That attacking force, he come weak. The midfield come collapse. How do you know a good coach? Now, second half now, forget say man you lost 7-0 to Liverpool. Where the guy was doing well. In this time when we say make changes, you dey see the second half, they work well. Forget say he cannot work every day. But this Chelsea coach now, the changes, it don't make sense now. It can be like say they sleep. You understand me now? So when you see Tyler like that, you expect people like Obama Yang to come in, for example. They let the attack not continue like that. You understand me? But look at the changes. No effect. No effect at all. So you see, say the man still need to work hard on himself to make sure say the team continue to improve.
Okay.
Yes.
So the way you see this team now, the team last it doesn't reach quarterfinal. We don't know where to go happen for quarterfinal. But you as a Chelsea fan, you dey confident say Chelsea fit go shock people, reach final or win the UEFA Champions League this season.
Talking about winning the Champions League, I don't see them winning the Champions League. But if you ask me, say they will come up for this stage, I'll tell you say not lie because Chelsea now for England, the history of football, now they be the fastest English improving club. When we say when they come to the Champions League stage, they always cause that havoc. They always cause that surprise. What do you not expect? Wait, you see they don't that say they weak. So me no say they will go far. But talking about winning the Champions League, that one is 0/100. They no fit.
Okay, so Chelsea next game now against Leicester City on Saturday. Now how you see that game? What do you predict?
Yeah, with what they play for the first half, if they maintain that momentum, go reach that time. That should be a walkover for them. That's what I see.
So scoreline prediction?
Scoreline 2-0 or 2-1. Okay, yeah.
All right, Morgan, thank you for your time. Welcome to the people. Now, lawyer boy, of course, we dey lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as you take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.